Question 1. She is very good blank mathematics. Correct option is option A, 8. She is very good at mathematics. Question 2. He has been living here blank 2015. Correct option is option B, since. He has been living here since 2015. Question 3. The book is lying blank the table. Correct option is option A, on. The book is lying on the table. Question 4. I will meet you blank Monday morning. Correct option is option B, on. I will meet you on Monday morning. Question 5. The little girl is afraid blank dogs. Correct option is option B, of. The little girl is afraid of dogs. Question 6. We arrived blank the airport at 6. Correct option is option B, 8. We arrived at the airport at 6. Question 7. My sister is married blank a doctor. Correct option is option B, 2. My sister is married to a doctor. Question 8. The kid jumped blank the wall. Correct option is option A, over. The kid jumped over the wall. Question 9. Why are you angry blank me? Correct option is option A, with. Why are you angry with me? Question 10. I have been waiting blank 2 hours. Correct option is option B, 4. I have been waiting for 2 hours. Question 11. A beautiful picture hangs blank the wall. Correct option is option A, on. A beautiful picture hangs on the wall. Question 12. He succeeded blank passing the test. Correct option is option B, in. He succeeded in passing the test. Question 13. Please divide the cake blank 4 pieces. Correct option is option B, into. Please divide the cake into 4 pieces. Question 14. His grandfather died blank cancer. Correct option is option B, of. His grandfather died of cancer. Question 15. The train arrives blank 5 o'clock. Correct option is option C, 8. The train arrives at 5 o'clock. 16. I congratulated him blank his success. Correct option is option B, on. I congratulated him on his success. Question 17. She insisted blank going alone. Correct option is option B, on. She insisted on going alone. Question 18. My brother is senior blank me. Correct option is option B, 2. My brother is senior to me. Question 19. The shop is blank, the bank and the cafe. Correct option is option B, between. The shop is between the bank and the cafe. Question 20. Distribute these sweets blank the children. Correct option is option B, among. Distribute these sweets among the children. 21. My father was born blank July. Correct option is option B, in. My father was born in July. Question 22. The children are fond blank music. Correct option is option A, of. The children are fond of music. Question 23. The old man walk blank the bridge. Correct option is option A, across. The old man walk across the bridge. Question 24. The tunnel goes blank the mountain. Correct option is option B, through. The tunnel goes through the mountain. Question 25. He apologized blank his mistake. Correct option is option A, for. He apologized for his mistake. Question 26. I completely agree blank you. Correct option is option B, with. I completely agree with you. Question 27. Please listen blank me carefully. Correct option is option B, 2. Please listen to me carefully. 28. My uncle is suffering blank fever. Correct option is option B, from. My uncle is suffering from fever. Question 29. The plane flew high blank the clouds. Correct option is option A, above. The plane flew high above the clouds. Question 30. She is deeply interested blank painting. Correct option is option B, in. She is deeply interested in painting. Question 31. Somebody knocked blank the door. Correct option is option A, 8. Somebody knocked at the door. Question 32. We will leave blank Lahore tomorrow. Correct option is option B, 4. We will leave for Lahore tomorrow. Question 33. Ali is absent blank school today. Correct option is option A, from. Ali is absent from school today. Question 34. Please put the pen blank the drawer. Correct option is option B, in. Please put the pen in the drawer. Question 35. She is jealous blank her sister. Correct option is option B, of. She is jealous of her sister. Question 36. The meeting was postponed blank Friday. Correct option is option A, till. The meeting was postponed till Friday. Question 37. He still depends blank his parents. Correct option is option B, on. He still depends on his parents. 38. Her nature is quite different blank mine. Correct option is option A, from. Her nature is quite different from mine. Question 39. I prefer tea blank coffee. Correct option is option B, 2. I prefer tea to coffee. Question 40. The man was accused blank theft. Correct option is option B, of. The man was accused of theft. 41. The dog ran blank the road. Correct option is option A, across. The dog ran across the road. Question 42. A leader must have confidence blank himself. Correct option is option B, in. A leader must have confidence in himself. Question 43. Our captain is superior blank theirs. Correct option is option B, 2. Our captain is superior to theirs. Question 44. The keys are blank my pocket. Correct option is option A, in. The keys are in my pocket. 45. Charles Dickens is famous blank his novels. Correct option is option B, 4. Charles Dickens is famous for his novels. Question 46. The patient was cured blank his illness. Correct option is option B, of. The patient was cured of his illness. 47. Every student must abide blank the rules. Correct option is option B, by. Every student must abide by the rules. Question 48. The flight took off blank 9 a.m. Correct option is option B, 8. The flight took off at 9 a.m. Question 49. He is ashamed blank his rude behavior. Correct option is option B, of. He is ashamed of his rude behavior. 50. The boy fell blank his bicycle. Correct option is option B, off. The boy fell off his bicycle. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.